Don't show the license plate. The moving wall, the Vietnam Veterans Memorial moving wall. Yes, the doctor was there. He saw the moving wall. He cares about the soldiers. Maybe things better in Iraq. We hope so. Afghanistan, our soldiers are there. We watch them. We care about them. So, today, we're going shopping in the junkyard. We got some cables. Look at this. I found this on the ground. English Town, 1990, 87, something like that. 1996. Yes, of course. So, we have a pile of shit in the T-Rack. And today, we make instructional video for Sharpshooter 777777. Shut up. Okay. We got some cables. And, what was I doing? I forget. Oh, yeah. Over here, we have cable, battery cable, cheap GM, not rubber, plastic, original. Oh, look at this. Got numbers, the restoration crowd, they like that. So, we take, boy. What do I do? Put the camera in the mouth? Don't know. Oh, maybe over here. Is that good? Wait a minute. I'll back around and I check. Yes, very good. I just changed the angle, of course. Very good. So, today, instructions video 101. Take the razor blade, we cut them away, and whoop, look at that, scrap. We take some lugs, we buy this on eBay, not very expensive. And in this stage production, we have made in China, battery, cable, lug, crimper. We show you how it works. Some people know a lot, some people know nothing. I know everything, the doctor, hello. So, we take the lug, maybe you put a little grease on it or some spit. See? Put it inside like this. Maybe we have a smaller one that better fit. Oh, no, not big enough. That's what she said to the sailor, not big enough. No, doesn't fit. So we take them like this, put them inside like this. We grab BFH. Make sure vice is tight like hell. Very good. And then, ready? Poof. One more time. Bang. Very good. Look at this. Whoop. Look. Just like in the old countries. Beautiful thing. Yes, very good. Okay, so maybe we need to do a little cleanup here. It's our junkyard. No problem. I could fix this. Goodbye.